Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to paint this super easy beginner's level silhouette Valentine's art. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so for this painting you'll only need to use 5 main colors. You'll need white, pink, red, black, and purple. Now grab a little bit of the pink paint and a little bit of the white, mix it together about 50-50 to make a nice light shade of more of a pastel bubblegum pink. Using the color mixed, we're gonna color the canvas about halfway through. We're just creating the sky part of the painting right now, so you can feel free to go from light to dark, dark to light. You can do whatever you want. I just kind of need a little bit of a gradual change from light to dark to light to dark. Once you're happy with the sky, I move down to the water part of the canvas, so I'm just adding a little bit of pink and a tinge bit of purple to add some depth to make it look more dimensional for the water waves. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and paint in the moon. So just grab a little bit of titanium white or any type of white color paint that you have, and in a circular motion you can go ahead and trace a circle first. I just went ahead and circled around a few times until I was happy with the color. You're going to have to let it dry a little bit, and then you're going to have to go over it again to make it a little bit more whiter. So to get the moonlight reflections on the water, in the center of the canvas where the moon is, just grab a little bit of that white and slowly do a little bit of strokes towards the middle, and then as it goes to the end of the canvas, go a little bit larger to make it look more realistic. Okay, so now we're moving on to the branch of where the couple will be sitting. You can use either a dark brown. I just mixed a little bit of black and purple, and you're just going to create a long branch across the canvas. Okay, so this part is completely optional, but I went ahead and sketched out the trace of the couple so that it's just easier for me to fill it in with the black paint when we're doing the silhouette part. Okay, so now we're moving on to the cherry blossom part. Again, just grabbing a little bit of the dark brown or black purple mix. We're just gonna do thin branches coming out from the sides of the canvas. And then we're going to add a little bit of red pink mix to create those cherry blossom flowers. I made it look kind of like a poppy, so it's just 3 dots. And you just repeat that throughout the whole canvas where the branches are, or wherever you wish. To end the painting off, I just decided to add a little small pink heart in the moon. That is completely optional again, but I think it was just a cute, meaningful thing for Valentine's Day. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this painting. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you have any suggestions for future paintings, please let me know in the comments below. Please share, subscribe, and like this video. And I wish you guys all the best. Take care and happy Valentine's Day.